Are you listening? Damn. Are you listening?
Lexus ISF, UK, 4.7 seconds, 168 miles per hour. A Lexus ISF was built to help policemen in the UK tackle citizens' speeding habits, and with a top speed of 168 miles per hour, it's capable of keeping up with most other cars. Used in northern England by the Humberside Police, this 416 horsepower beast is mostly used as a deterrent, but is also used to run down criminals and speeders in super high-speed sports cars. Ariel Atom, UK, 2.5 seconds, 168 miles per hour. In what is probably the most unique police car in the world, authorities in the UK are the proud safekeepers of a specially outfitted Ariel Atom, which can hit a top speed of 168 miles per hour, and get to 60 miles per hour in just 2.5 seconds. Spyker C8 Spider, Netherlands, 4.5 seconds, 186 miles per hour. Police in the Netherlands have one of the more unique cop cars in the world, with a Spyker C8 Spider. The police have the province of Flevoland welcomed the C8 Spider to the force in 2008. Audi R8 GTR, Germany, 3.2 seconds, 202 miles per hour. German police are the proud owners of an Audi R8 GTR, a fine-tuned supercar capable of hitting 202 miles per hour and screaming to 60 miles per hour in only 3.2 seconds. German company ABT Sportsline outfitted the R8 GTR specifically for the police department, and even souped up the 5.2-liter V10 engine to be able to make 620 horsepower, above the standard 518. Lamborghini Gallardo LP560-4, Italy, 3.7 seconds, 203 miles per hour. Police in Italy were the happy recipients of a brand new Lamborghini, donated by the Lamborghini company itself as an anniversary gift, celebrating 152 years for the department in 2004. 4 years later, the company donated a new Gallardo LP560-4, which was put to use patrolling Italy's highways. It's capable of keeping pace with most other cars out there, with a top speed of 203 miles per hour, and a 0 to 60 time of 3.7 seconds. It uses a 5.2-liter V10 engine to produce 560 horsepower, giving some bite to the Italian police's road presence. Ferrari FF, UAE, 3.7 seconds, 208 miles per hour. You'll learn one thing very quickly while reading through this list: don't mess with the Dubai Police Department. This Ferrari FF was modified specifically for Dubai's boys in blue, or green and beige, actually, and can hit searing speeds of 208 miles per hour, and jump to 60 in just 3.7 seconds. Lamborghini Aventador LP700-4 UAE, 2.9 seconds, 217 miles per hour. If you had to guess as to what city's police department adopted a Lamborghini Aventador LP700-4, who would it be? Of course, you should have guessed Dubai. Along with several other supercars, this Lamborghini joins the ranks of Dubai's finest with its insane capabilities and fighter jet physique. The Aventador LP700-4 can hit a top speed of 217 miles per hour, and jet to 60 miles per hour from a standstill in 2.9 seconds. Aston Martin 1-77, UAE, 3.5 seconds, 220 miles per hour. The Dubai PD is at it again, this time picking up one of the more rare cars in the world. The car itself is aptly named as only 77 were built, and now one has been modified into a crime-fighting machine. It'll be hard for Justin Bieber to outrun the 1-77, as it comes equipped with a 7.3-liter V12, that can go from 0 to 60 in 3.5 seconds and tops out at 220 miles per hour. Brabus rocket, Germany, 3.2 seconds, 225 miles per hour. The Brabus rocket is a souped-up Mercedes model that can keep up with almost any other car out there. German police felt the need to add one to their fleet, so the 6.3-liter V12 powered car is now outfitted for the boys in blue. Capable of hitting 225 miles per hour and going from 0 to 60 in 3.2 seconds. Bugatti Veyron, UAE, 2.5 seconds, 268 miles per hour. The Dubai police decided that what they already had in stock just wasn't enough, so they decided to go and get themselves the second fastest car in the world, the Bugatti Veyron. The Dubai police apparently need a car that can chase down anything else on the road, as the Veyron is, of course, the official world record holder for fastest car in the world. Capable of speeds up to 268 miles per hour and hitting 60 miles per hour from 0 in just 2.5 seconds, there's no way anything can get out of the Veyron's grasp, unless a Hennessy Venom GT shows up. It only set the police department back a cool $1.6 million, but hey, it's Dubai. Thanks guys for watching, hit the like button and subscribe for more. Peace.